Unit 2 Foley Artists Bringing the Movies to Life August 2nd A man is watching a horror movie in which a heroine is ascending some stairs into a dusty loft. He isn't sitting comfortably on his couch, though. As the woman on the screen takes a step, so does the man, bringing his foot down on an old wooden box. These sounds are captured by several microphones. He's a Foley artist, and he's creating the movie's sound effects. Foley is the process of making the sounds the audience hears when they watch a movie. It is named after Jack Foley, who worked for Universal Studios when films started to be made with sound. Foley was an expert at creating and recording sounds for movies, and many of the techniques he introduced survive to this day. One reason Foley is so important is that microphones can't always pick up sounds made during the filming. In fact, many of those sounds don't even exist in real life. One example is the famous hum of the Jedi lightsabers in Star Wars. Sound designer Ben Burt combined two noises to make this sound: the whir of motors in old movie projectors and the static tones made when a TV interferes with a microphone's reception. Once he'd done this, he played it through a loudspeaker and recorded it with moving microphones to create a catalogue of lightsaber sounds. Other Foley tricks include making punching sounds by hitting thick books or bags of sand, and snapping celery to simulate the sound of breaking bones. In order to be a good Foley artist, you need creativity, imagination, and the ability to think outside the box. In addition, you'll need to learn how to use various sound equipment and computer programs. Being a Foley artist is a fascinating occupation, and even though people don't always notice the sound effects they make, a movie wouldn't be the same without them.